This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lacey Laird. If you're looking to grow your investment portfolio, this provides the ideal floor plan with 4 bedrooms and enclosed bonus room and no HOA. This home provides a spacious backyard, easy care tile and laminate throughout, and a newer air conditioner. The enclosed bonus room is a great space for an office, movie room, playroom, or whatever fits your needs. The additional yard space is perfect for entertaining, barbecue and more. The home is in close proximity to Kirkman Road, Valencia College, Interstate 4 and Florida's Turnpike. Currently lease until November 30, 2022. Roof is about 18 years old. For more information, review the details below.